Alright guys, I figured I'd do a quick video for you real quick. This is the Midea 4-ton 5-zone mini split in heat pump mode. Right now in Florida it's about 48 degrees outside. So we have two 1-ton interior units running right now. I checked them before I came out here. And I'm still fairly happy with it. It does a good job heating the indoors. So I wanted to come out here and do a video and an update for you guys, because I've only used this system in heat pump mode. This is about the third time, but it's going to be cold for a couple days. So the only thing I can say is in heat pump mode, the outdoor unit, the fan speed is a little bit faster. Sounds like it's flowing more air, but other than that, it's working. It does great, and I'll do an update for you guys here maybe tomorrow morning to see how much power it's used overnight. Thanks for keeping up with me, guys.